Okay. Here we go again. Kumusta na kayo mga fans? Nandito na naman tayo sa nagsusumilab na Dance Move of the Year. My name is Mac, DJ Mac. Nandito ako ngayon sa Marina at gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong Dance Move of the Year. Eto, the dance move titled My Something. First step, let's go, first step. Mahina lang, mahina. 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, let's do it faster. My something to the second motion. Okay, kuha. Let's do it faster. 5, 5, 6. Okay.
Sorry, ay...
By Sunday to the third hour.
Sorry, ay...
Okay, let's do it faster.
My something.
Woo! Woo!
Okay.
Let's do it from the top. Okay. My something.